Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am Tamandeep and we are continuing with our finance series. So today's topic is stock picking. So today we will learn a principle about stock picking that we should keep in mind while investing in the stocks. So let's start our video with a question. What do we need to pick a good stock? Maybe we need finance degree, right? We will study in our college and study for years. We'll invest a lot of money in it and then we'll learn something and pick good stocks and make money on it, right? Nah, degrees for nerds. We don't do that shit. Maybe crystal ball. Maybe we should get a crystal ball, right? Nah, that also doesn't seems right. Maybe we should just leave this to professionals. Let them do their work. We'll do our day-to-day life and let's see. We'll be satisfied with less money, right? Mr. Peter Lynch says no. He says that every person can find good stocks to invest in. Who is this Mr. Peter Lynch? Let's study a bit about him. So, Mr. Peter Lynch is an American investor. He managed Magellan Fund. Those who don't know, for a long time it was the best performing mutual fund in the world. And Mr. Peter Lynch was responsible for that. A big man, eh? A big man is saying that you can invest. Maybe he's right. So, Mr. Peter Lynch had a wife. His wife once suggested him to buy pantyhose stocks. And Mr. Peter Lynch said, "Woman, please go make me a sandwich." If he had said that, he would have lost a lot of money. You see, these pantyhose stocks. So there was a company who made pantyhose, and that company's stock made him a lot of money. One of the best profitable stocks that he bought in his career. So, what is the moral of this pretty little story? A smart person always listens to his wife. No. I mean, that is true. You should listen to your wife, but that is not the moral of the story. You see, the moral of the story is invest in what you know, as said by Mr. Peter Lynch himself. What does this mean? This means maybe you are going grocery shopping. Keep your just eyes open, right? You find a new soap that you really like. You come home, you study about its company, you study a bit, see if everything's look good. You invest in that company and you make money on it. Mr. Peter Lynch's wife understood pantyhose. She liked the new product, she suggested it, and they made money on it. Sounds good, right? So, what is the correct product? And yeah, remember, this is a long term investment. So, the basic idea here is a company with good product, a product that is useful, grows over time. So, this is a long term investment plan. Okay, that seems genuine till now. So, what is that we know? AI is a buzzword, right? AI. Maybe we should invest in AI. See, if you are an engineer and you understand what AI is, yes, some AI based company could be a really good investment. But don't just go investing in AI just because it's a buzzword. Don't do that. Focus on what you understand. Right. Maybe you don't understand AI. Maybe you never studied engineering. Maybe you don't know coding. What do you know? Maybe you are a smoker, right? Maybe you smoke cigarettes. You understand smoking. So you go to smoking places and different stores and you find a new brand of cigarettes popping up, right? And you find that it's good. Go home, study about its company, study a bit. If everything seems good, invest in that, right? That could be a good investment. Make some money on it. Can that really happen? Let's see with an example. There is a company called VST Industries Limited. VST Industries Limited. If a person who would have invested in it about 15 or 20 years back would have made a lot of money. See, always think simple when you are applying this principle. Everyday product, something you know, something you use, right? Something you understand. And it does not have to be your daily life, as in your home life, regular life. Maybe it's related to what you do, maybe it's related to your job. Let's say you're a pharmacist, you understand medicines. You see what medicine is lately popping up, and doctors are suggesting it and it's selling. Go home, study that medicines company, invest in that. Let's see this with an example as well. Right. So there is a pharmaceutical company called Jackson Pal Pharmaceutical Limited. So Jackson Pal Pharmaceutical Limited also went up quite much in 5 years itself. 1500% in 5 years. Right. So these are just examples. I am not saying to invest in these specific stocks because I am not a pharmacist, right? I don't understand medicine. A pharmacist, if he says, maybe it's right. So idea is just keep your eyes open, see around what is the new thing that's popping up and is good. That can be a really good investment. So that's it for today, guys. Catch you later. Keep this in mind and let's make money off this. Bye.